Now I'm finishing up the fridge cabinet. I have to make some adjustments to the kitchen cabinet so it will fit in correctly. So I left this out, just have another attachment point, and I'll cut that back to this line. Okay, that's ready to be attached. Now I'm bringing back these panels to the final depth in this case. I needed a small vent cover for the airflow of the fridge, so I made this contraption which will go into one of the sideboards. Okay, let it dry a little bit, and I'll do some sanding. finishing hopefully most of the ceiling insulation, and part of that is what I'm doing now. That's closing down all the holes after being filled with insulation, all the holes in the cross members. In preparation for the inverter, my calculations calculated that I need an 8 gauge wire for the grounding. Should have done that first. Okay, that's for the time being. Finishing my ceiling insulation. Made a few curves in the insulation to follow the line of the roof. Okay, now I'm going to wrap some of these wires in a wrapper. And now I'm adding a line between the ceiling lights and the fuse box. I lead the wire to the lights from my side wall and make a small indent in my insulation and then cover it again to the center where the lights are coming. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. Done a good job.